Hey friends, if you wish to show or hide bookmarks bar on the Opera web browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Opera in the Windows search bar and open Opera browser. Now click on these three dots at the bottom left corner. Scroll down and select settings. Okay. Now in the settings window you will have to search for bookmarks. Okay, and hit enter. So when you scroll down, there will be an option under appearance which says show bookmarks bar. If you turn this on, you can see that the bookmarks bar appears here, and if you turn it off, it will disappear. So let me create a bookmark for you first. Okay, so we will create a bookmark by clicking on this love symbol. Okay, and then we will go to the bookmarks bar and we will be able to see it here. So if I turn this on, I will see the bookmarks bar here, and turning it off, it's gone again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.